I'm here today with my new friend Miss Cindy. We've just done the roller shades with a simplicity motor, and I'm going to be teaching Miss Cindy how to use it so you can see just how easy it is. So this is the remote, as you can see. So now we're going to raise the shade up. So if you just hold onto that button, yes, and let go. And now the shade is going to rise up to this is happening automatically. It's going to rise up to the upper limit. There's the Budget Blinds van parked outside above the American flag. Beautiful. Now we're going to make it go down again. So if you just hold the bottom button, there you go, and you can let go. And there you go. Motorized roller shade, simplicity motor, absolutely beautiful. Miss Cindy, what is it that you like the most about this shade?
I like how easy it operates. I also like the beautiful color that we've chosen.
Yeah?
Goes well with the pink color in my room,
Yeah.
and I am thrilled.
Thrilled.
Josh has been such a great provider for me for my budget blind.
There you go. That's huge brownie points. Thank you. And this is what it looks like when it's closed. Let's see if I get to the full thing. And that's fantastic. Another happy customer with budget blinds, and that makes me a happy consultant.